To ensure proper execution and implementation of World Bank projects, the Association for Consulting Engineering in Nigeria has organized a specialized training workshop on contract management on infrastructure projects financed by the World Bank Group in Nigeria and the Gambia. The workshop for government officials handling World Bank projects aims to strengthen the capacity of engineers and project managers responsible for implementing major infrastructure projects. Now, this focuses on the practical administration of FIDIC contracts, including the role of the engineer, management of variations and claims, dispute avoidance mechanisms, and effective contract documentation. Experts say with Nigeria's huge investment in critical infrastructure, effective contract management remains critical to ensuring projects are delivered on time, within budget, and to the required standards.
Management training using the FIDIC Red Book, and is primarily to enhance the capacity of staff of government working on World Bank funded projects, especially on infrastructure projects in contract management.
The idea here is to spread the proper knowledge and know-how of how to use the FIDIC conditions of contract, specifically the Red Book. We will address the issues that are mainly addressed or experienced actually by many projects around here in Nigeria. So the proper understanding of these contracts and how to use them.
What ACEN is doing through this FIDIC contract management training is to strengthen the capacity of project implementation units managing World Bank funded projects in the West African region, so that infrastructure in Nigeria and the region can be delivered more efficiently with better value for money.
We have a lot of hope that we are going to be very dedicated to whatever we are going to learn. And of course, it's not only for Accra, but we are planning to have another session probably when we go back to Bauchi with other relevant projects that are unable to participate here. In Bauchi, we operate as a family. We have so many World Bank and African Development Bank projects, and we operate together. We have a forum, and we are going to share the knowledge that we are going to gain here.
We know the problems we have in Nigeria with regards to contracts. You start contracts here, and most of the time it ends in stalemates and not finished. So this training has become timely, and the President said we should extend the message to the participants and to Nigerians as well, to know the importance of this kind of training and to continue to partner with ACEN to achieve these aim and objectives.